I ordered a custom box of eyes from Brittany from Beyond the Stars Stitches. These are all the bags that came with the eyes. So let's get into the good.
So I got 2 packs of eyes. Check these out. Okay, so let's open this one first. So this is the first time I've ever bought painted safety eyes from somebody, so I gave her full creative freedom for these. So I don't really know what to do with it. Here's the first pair. These are better than I expected. Holy cow. So there's one. Here's the two. I got 30s, 25. I think I got 30s and 25. So here's the two. And I asked, the only request I asked for was for colored pupils. That's it. Here's number 3. Oh my gosh. These are so good. Here's number 4. Oh yeah, look at these. These are so good. Okay, on to roll number 2. Look at how pretty those are. Okay, on to the next. I'm so excited for these. Oh gosh, look at these. These look like they need a crack nail polish. These are so cute. Look at how cute. Okay, next one. Look how pretty. These white ones. I like these white pieces. These are so cool. And the next one. Look how these are so good. These are so pretty. Okay. Just keep going. She did such a good job. Okay, last one. That's kind of cool. Look at that. Oh, these look so good. Thank you. Well, thank you from Brittany at Beyond the Stars Stitches. I'll do a recap.